In this video, let's create a use case for the Contract Metadata Extraction skill. To begin, select the All menu. In the search bar, type Now Assist Admin, and then select Skills. Expand Employee and then select CM Pro. Select Activate Skill for Contract Metadata Extraction. Select Use Cases. Select New Use Case. Enter the name and select the repository table, language, and the LLM for the use case. Select Save and Continue. Select Add a field. Select Field. Enter the field name. Enter the description of the information you want to extract. Select the type of field. Select the target field. On selecting the target field for a reference field, the reference table, reference column, and distinguisher fields are displayed. Select the reference column. In the distinguisher field, add the qualifiers used to differentiate between similar reference fields. Select Save. Similarly, you can add more fields for the use case by selecting New Field. After adding the fields, select Save and Continue. Select Test a new document to test the use case. Select Upload from this device, and then select Add File. Select Upload. Select Continue. The document is displayed on the Test Output tab along with the extracted information. Select Save and Continue. Review the use case details and select Complete Setup. Select Return to Use Cases on the confirmation message.